How are you, all the DJs or the producers of music? My name I'm called DJ with the Beat CW on YouTube channel. So if you are new on my channel, just only subscribe for more further updates so that I'll drop what do you need exactly. What do you need? Today I've got a tutorial of an Afro Pop beat produced by Jay Walker. So you can see how can I do it. Let me play it first. These are the drums. I made it for drums, so let me play it so that you hear how can I do it. The melody. These are the kicks I used, and I press another kicks. You hear it sounds better, and then I add a melody. You hear it sounds better. After that I add another hit yet. Let me review it. These are my kicks. This one. This is the drum. This is the drum pattern. So if you do it as you see now, you can make another beat that is professional level, better than this one. These pedals, you can master them if you need to master. Like this one, you see, you master it. Even if you X equalizer, drop it down the gain, and once you're 8.2 exit frequency. Let me play it again. Let me edit first. So at the end, you will see that if you change those instruments, it's either you can make a professional better than this one. Before we go any further, just subscribe Jiwega Beats CW on YouTube channel so that we grow our audience professionally. Thank you.